Hey guys, ssjcoder here, and today I want to show you this website I found. So it's called codingame.com. Okay, so basically what you do is you program functions for games. Okay, so like you can see there's basically just competitions of programming, and it teaches you like competitive programming and basics of game programming like collision detection and some functions you might use in your own game. And like there's arrays, loops, and much more. So like the first one, the very first challenge you're going to do is going to be onboarding. Okay, so it's pretty simple, and the and the website just guides you to how it works. So like you can choose your language, then like you can see it says time to code. So basically you can copy paste it if you know what the code does. So if you don't know, let me just explain what it does. So it says if dist1 is smaller than dist2, so if dist1 which is an integer input is smaller than dist2 which is also an integer input, print uh, enemy 1. Yeah, so it's basically gonna shoot the enemy 1, else otherwise it's gonna shoot enemy 2. It's pretty simple, and then you can just basically run the code. So you can see, so it says check your code, and now you can see how it's working. So it's pretty simple, and I suggest you check it out if you're interested in game development or competitive programming, because like it's gonna be pretty useful for you in the future. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Sorry if this video was not a long one, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.